Hello guys, do you want to learn how to make money with CPA marketing utilizing a very unique URL file locker strategy? If yes, then you just need to watch this video right now to the end. But before I go on to details about this video right now, you may want to just simply check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, and that's actually available to you in the description of the video. So check out the first link in that description. It's going to lead you right now to this page, and you can see much more details about that #1 recommendation to make money online right now. Now jumping right ahead into the video of today, I'm going to utilize a CPA marketing platform like Cpagrip. Now it is quite easy to create an account. I'm not going to walk you through that. Create an account if you don't have one and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to come onto this page right here by clicking on the monetization tool option. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select the URL file locker, be brought to this page. Click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you're actually going to be brought to this page right now. Head on to the top, select the template, and maybe you could select the human verification template. Now if you do select that, you want to go on to general, and you actually want to just simply rename this particular locker to something like unique or something quite different for identification purpose. Now if I do name this something like unique locker, now in the locked URL section, guys, you absolutely need to ensure that you are locking a valuable content. Now I think I do actually prefer the captcha locker. Now if you're actually locking a valuable content that someone can actually do virtually anything to gain access to, you can just simply do that right now. Now to lock a content, maybe you want to get content that you can actually lock, you can head on to platforms like Amazon right now to get content. Now take an example of this particular globe right now. This is actually an illuminating globe of the world, and you can see that this is actually being sold for $45 or $65 right now on Amazon. But if you're also going to check out that same exact product right here on AliExpress, you can get that for just simply $29 right now. As you can see, the profit margin is actually quite different, so you're just simply going to be earning much more if you are getting the product from AliExpress and selling that on other platforms, maybe like Amazon. But in this strategy, guys, all you need to do is to just simply get the link to this particular product on AliExpress. And how do you get the link? You just need to come onto platforms like aliexpress.com, and you want to scroll down to the bottom section. You can see this option that says affiliate program. Click on that right now. If you do click on the affiliate program option, go on to signing up as an affiliate, and guys, you can get your account created as an affiliate, of which you can just simply get linked to any product on AliExpress. Now once you actually do that right there, you're just simply going to go on to getting the link to the product, and once you actually have access to that particular link, guys, you just need to head back to that CPA marketing platform, and you want to paste in the link in this locked URL section. Now once the link has actually been pasted, all you need to do right now is to click on save, and your URL file locker has been created. Now here's the URL file locker unique locker. Click on get link, and you can see the link to the URL file locker. Copy the link, and the next step which you want to head on to doing is creating a simple landing page. Now you can create landing pages with systeme.io, also with getresponse.com, or any other landing page builder site of your choice. There are actually quite numerous right there, on numerous websites you can utilize. To gain access to such kind of tutorial videos to help you, head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon beside community, and actually go on to typing in landing page, of which if you do type in landing page and click on enter, it's going to show you some cool tutorial videos I created that teaches you how to create landing pages right now. So check out such videos, as they could actually be a lot more helpful to you in creating cool landing pages. Now once you've actually created a landing page that is absolutely amazing, you can then just simply go on to promoting that particular landing page link. Now in order for you to promote the landing page link, you can utilize platforms like Pinterest to do so. Pinterest is actually an amazing search engine that gets about 1.15 billion visits at average every single month right now. Now you could leverage such visits to help you get a lot of traffic to your CPA offers. And how do you do that right now is to come onto Pinterest and create an amazing pin. Now you can see that the pins on Pinterest are actually quite eye-catchy kinds of pins, and you could also go into creating something quite cool and similar to that. Maybe you can actually create something right here with canva.com. If you come onto Canva, come onto this search section and you search for the Pinterest pin right now, it's going to go on to loading up and show you a lot of Pinterest pin templates. You can just simply go on to editing and create a very cool pin. Now in that pin, guys, you also need to go on to telling them that you're giving them that particular product at 70% off right now, so that they can actually go on to dragging their attention right there. Tell them you're giving them at 70% off, which is actually quite reasonable compared to Amazon, because Amazon are not actually giving them any percentage off. If you're giving them a percentage off from AliExpress, which you're going to be selling that for about $29, you're just simply going to be giving them at a very cool rate, of which you're going to be earning money in two platforms or in two ways right now. When they purchase that particular product, you're going to earn with the AliExpress affiliate marketing, and you're also going to earn with the CPA marketing, because for them to gain access to that content, they actually need to scroll through your offer first and complete an offer before they can gain access to that. Now, to promote your offer after you created a very cool pin and downloaded that on Canva, you just need to come onto Pinterest and just simply go into uploading that. Now take a look at this particular video right now. This video is actually having a very cool link right now, directing people somewhere to go on to purchasing this product. So all you need to do is do something quite similar. When you get a very cool eye-catchy video or image, click on home feed, click on create pin for ad, and you could just simply upload that pin in this section. Give this actually a very good title, a very cool description, and right here paste in the link to that particular URL file locker to get people to click on that. Now that's a very cool way once you do click on publish. And something you actually need to know when actually promoting any stuff on Pinterest is to actually leverage the Pinterest trends. Pinterest trends is actually a very cool tool you can actually utilize, as with this platform you can get to know what is actually trending on Pinterest right now. Now if you go on to scrolling through, you can see that most of the stuff trending are actually related to females. You can see the spring nails, spring outfit, me core, mood, spring nails 2024, and you can see all of these are actually related to female stuffs. And why? Because most of the traffic right now, or most of the percentage traffic that comes onto Pinterest, are actually female. Now you can see that statistics indicate that Pinterest is a predominantly female platform, as 76.2% of Pinterest audience are female and 17.2% are male. Now that's actually a very huge margin, or a very huge gap right there, because a lot of people on Pinterest are actually female, which is why you may actually want to go onto Amazon and other platforms like Amazon and AliExpress to get a product that is actually much more related to females. And once they actually do go on to seeing such product, that will actually enable you to go on to utilizing that to get people to click on your unique link in that particular page, and you can get a lot of traffic to your offers. Now this is a cool strategy I advise you take advantage of. Also, don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, which is the first link in the description of the video. Don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bells on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.